there, Shantha Wetterhan here with Competitive Edge Online Marketing and Branding. I know it's a little noisy in the background. I'm actually teaching a workshop today at Atlanta Communities here in Woodstock. I absolutely love this class. It's one of my favorites. The class is Instagram Marketing for Real Estate Professionals, and it really inspired me to hop on real quick to talk about Instagram Live. And there are so many wonderful benefits. If you haven't used Instagram Stories yet, I'm actually really stepped up my game with Stories. And one of the benefits that you get with Instagram Stories is you're able to have real live two-way communication with your audience. So if you're able to go live on Instagram, it will actually grow your account even more, and you can connect having that two-way conversation with your audience. So a few tips that I have about your Instagram Live presence. Number one, think about your content. So a lot of times we think maybe our marketing is all about us, but it's in fact about our ideal clients. And so your content should be set up where it's informing, it's inspiring, and it's educating your audience. Another thing that you want to think about with your content, think about maybe any questions that you're always answering. Maybe there's something that you're always telling your clients. Go ahead and create content that answers their needs and go live on Stories. You can even do a home buyer's Q&A on Stories or a home seller's tutorial. There are so many things you can do on your Stories account. One of the things that I love to do is create a graphic that drives people somewhere else. So what I'll do is create a graphic maybe for a new YouTube video that I put together. I'll go ahead and create a graphic for it, post it to Stories, and tell people to go check out my YouTube channel. And so it's a great way of getting people from Instagram to your other social media profiles. So I just wanted to hop in real quick. Instagram is a wonderful platform, especially if you are a real estate professional. There's more engagement than Facebook. About half of the millennials, the #1 home buying generation, actually use Instagram, and there are about 300 million daily users on the platform. So if you're leaving Instagram on the back burner, no longer do it. Run, don't walk to that platform, and let me know how everything goes for you. I hope this helps. I hope you have a wonderful day, and take care.